Officer. I am Lorenzo Castro,
I'm Hubert Asayo.
and this is our research one and our show and tell. So we'll start with Hubert. So,
For the first item na I have, which is a personal, it's been a need for me as a college student, and even just even in prior years as my life as a student, is the pen. Now, it may seem like a simple item, but throughout history, we've been using symbols,
Yeah,
writings to
of course.
communicate with each other all the way back centuries ago, millions of years ago. And now it's evolved to this small little compact thing that we can see in
So yun, so sa mga pen mo, do you have like a specific type of pen that you like or like specific brand that you will use?
Well, for me, it's this Muji pen, Muji gel pen. But of course, there are a lot of other
Yeah,
pens there. There's a Pilot, then of course, there's still the traditional feather and ink.
Yeah.
People still use those. So it's a really important thing to me and throughout history.
Or sa pen rin naman ko, I use them for calculating, which I segue to my for my personal product, which is the scientific calculator. And di naman to usually used sa business, pero for me, it is important kasi I was a STEM student before. And dati naman, like before we use calculators, actually, minamano-mano natin using pens. And after that, siguro yung abacus na we move yung mga beads. Pero ngayon, we have a calculator that's very efficient and very accurate now and very fast in solving equations.
Galing nga eh. Kasi personally, di kasi ako STEM student. I'm an ATM student. We didn't really use the scientific calculator that much. But I do understand na it's a really important piece as it's a lot of years worth of study,
Yeah, of course.
the mathematics
Yeah.
all jammed into that device. So can you show me something that can be?
Okay, so I think one of the most useful things that you can do here is first, you can see na these are all like the digits, yung basic. Tapos dito yung mga special functions. So one thing is really cool is the shift solve function, which is like really useful like in my high school days, which was you could just input an equation with one variable, like let's say x, like you just put everything in it. And when you press shift solve, you can instantly solve for x without like having to isolate it, having to do anything. So really quick and really good for quality of life in solving problems.
Really great, no? It's really nice to see things that are evolving.
Of course.
Speaking of evolving over time, my second item actually is our EduSuite system. Because in today's age where everything is just one click away, di ba, one tap
Mabilis
away,
lang.
mabilis lang everything. So being able to enroll in your classes, being able to see all your classes in one click, 2 clicks, it's a really good convenience. Because I remember my parents talking about their days in college where they would have to line up in the registrar and they'd have to write which subjects they'd like to take. And sometimes mamalasin pa nga sila eh.
Oo
Kunwari, example, if it's their turn there. Tapos biglang wala nang
Naka-cut off
slots.
na sila.
Naka-cut off na
Oo,
sila, di ba?
sayang. Malas naman
Mahirap
yun.
eh. Pero at least dito sa EduSuite, if you're lucky enough or
Oo.
if you're gonna get the slots that you want, pick the time that you want, all in the convenience of your home. Diba?
Di mo na kailangan like lumabas pa, pila sa init,
Mm.
ganun talaga. Pero syempre naman, we all know naman yung mga mahirap rin sa technology. So, have you experienced any troubles sa EduSuite?
Well, of course, it's not perfect. It's not a perfect system. But of course, there's always room for improvement naman. It's a relatively new system and everyone's still getting used to it. So we'll see in the future.
And yung sa community ko naman, I think one important thing that I will always use is yung ID sign in namin, which is this card right here. So itong ID sign din is really convenient for me kasi kahit ako na kunyari, minsan 7:30 at ng class ko, tapos pumunta pa akong QC, which is like, takes like, 2 hours, sabihin natin, 9:30 na ako makauwi. Usually, walang guard kapag nag-guard. So, yung usual nito is, I can just tap my card and makakapasok na agad sa Pangko instantly. And I think that's really, really convenient kasi dati, minsan kailangan may card talaga na mag-validate sa'yo na, oh, you're a member of this condo, you're a resident. Minsan rin na, kunyari, kailangan ka mag-logbook, sulat ka pa, what if you're in a rush, gusto mo na umalis. So ayun, sobrang convenient lang na you have this card and this machine na you just tap, instant, tali ka na pumasok.
So, para talaga sa convenience yan.
Yeah.
And it's really, it's a really good item. Kasi for me, sa condo ko din, they already have this system. So, even if mapapalit-palit ng shift yung guards, you don't need to worry about them not knowing who you are.
Yeah.
Diba? Isang tap lang, pasok ka na.
Open na yung door agad. Yeah.
Speaking of convenience, yung final item ko ngayon is actually yung train system natin dito. Kasi at that time, magkakwento sa akin yung dad ko or yung mom ko, magbabas pa sila, going from one place to another, pipila pa, mag-jeep pa, palipat-lipat pa ng sakay. Napaka-hassle noon. Pero nung na-introduce yung train system natin dito, napaka-convenient sa mga commuters natin. Lalo na yung sa mga nagtatrabaho sa malalayong lugar.
Pag rush hour pa.
Pag rush hour pa, di ba?
Traffic.
Wala kang maano ng traffic, di mo matatakasan yan. Lalo na dito sa atin, never matatakasan ng traffic. So talaga niya, napakalaking tulong niya sa buong bansa natin.
So, ayun, ikaw, do you use trains often ba? Kasi kami both were from QC, so ikaw, you usually take the bus or yung train mo ba usually utilize mo pag pupunta dito?
At the start, inuuna ko talaga yung train. Kasi yun talaga yung halos, kabisado ko na. Pero, more on bus na ako ngayon for the convenience.
Para di ka na tatayo pa.
Hindi nalilipan.
Alam ko kasi mahirap rin kasi yung wala masyadong malapit na station dito sa MRT. Like yung bus kasi, doon lang sa Venice.
Dito lang.
Diretso na agad. And speaking of transportation, I think one rin na maganda sa akin is yung Grab app. I think sobrang useful na ito ngayon, lalo na sa Philippines kasi imagine mo, yung deliveries or getting taxis is just one click away. Na kahit dati, kunyari, let's say for deliveries, every single restaurant has their own parang calling system or pang siling mga drivers to deliver. And dito ngayon, parang na-unite mo na lahat ng mga gusto mag-deliver into one app. Click mo lang, deliver na agad sa'yo. Super convenient. Tapos dagdag din, kunyari sa taxis, dati, kailangan mo mag-hail, para ka sa side, or minsan sa mall may mga stalls na ito yung mga taxis. Ngayon, from anywhere, tap ka lang, I want to go from point A to point B, instant, may mahanap kang driver, punta ka doon agad. So, sobrang convenient talaga na gano'n.
Napaka-convenient talaga kasi a lot of people use it then for different purposes.
Yeah.
For example, yung kapatid ko once kailangan niyang mag-move from one place to another. Pero wala siyang Grab. Pero ako, luckily, meron ako, tumawag siya sa akin. So ako pa yung nag-ano sa akin. Ganun lang kadali, di ba?
Sobrang dali lang kaya, ayun. Yung mga technology talaga ngayon, I think one of the most specific and emphasizing sa technology is convenience and quality of life na sa lahat ng ginagawa ngayon, sa past nating na mano-mano, na physical, ngayon it's just instant. Snap, one click away, now we get it instantly. So ayun, ito yung show and tell namin, sir, and thank you for watching.